Need to leave.
Yeah, one more try?
No. They get out of here.
Future stings my eyes. I still find time to exercise in a uniform with two white stripes. Unlike my section of the sand is fenced off to the water's edge, I clamp a gas mask on my head on my beach at night, living under the light. Hit the rocks, abandoned to spill out its guts. The sand is laced with sticky glass. A shimmering moonlight sheen upon the waves and water clogged with oil. White gas and steam up from the soil on my beach at night, living around the light. Fish between my toes.